Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a BMW emblem. First, gather your tools, a plastic pry tool, a clean cloth, and your new emblem. This simple DIY project can refresh your car's appearance in minutes. Having the right tools makes the job straightforward and prevents damage. Prepare your workspace by ensuring good lighting and easy access to the emblem. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and successful replacement. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Begin by carefully inserting your plastic pry tool under the edge of the existing emblem. Apply gentle, even pressure, working your way around the emblem's circumference. The emblem is typically held by 2 pins and some adhesive, so it should pop off with a little persuasion. Once removed, thoroughly clean the area to ensure no old adhesive or dirt remains, preparing a perfect surface for the new emblem. With the surface clean, it's time to install your new emblem. Carefully align the 2 pins on the back of the new emblem with the corresponding holes on your car. Once aligned, press the emblem down firmly and evenly. You should feel it click or seat securely into place. Ensure it's flush with the surface and doesn't wobble. A quick wipe with a clean, soft cloth will remove any fingerprints and give it a pristine finish. To keep your new emblem looking its best, consider applying a thin layer of automotive wax around its edges. This helps protect it from the elements and makes cleaning easier. Regular cleaning with mild soap and water will maintain its luster for years to come. This simple upgrade significantly enhances your car's aesthetic. For more great tips and deals, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed BMW.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.